Today I'm going to show you how I create YouTube titles, thumbnail text, video descriptions and tags in seconds. YouTube refers to this as metadata. I'm going to share with you the exact prompt that I use that you can take away and modify to suit your content. And I'm going to speed up your workflow, saving you a lot of time if you've been struggling with creating metadata before. Some advice on YouTube says, make your thumbnails and titles before the video. And if that makes sense to you, then do that. But if it never felt right to you and you've been trying to force yourself to work in a way that just doesn't fit, or you keep getting stuck during this process, then you need this video. I talked more in depth about this subject in a video that I'll link at the end of this one. But what I'm going to show you today is why I film and upload a video before I think too much about the metadata, and how doing this will remove struggles and frustration that you might normally be feeling during this process. Let's jump over to the computer and I'll show you how. So once you have a video recorded, you have all of your ideas in one place ready to go. And we can then take that video and turn it into a transcript, which will then have all the information that was within your video in that transcript. And then we can use that transcript to create all the metadata for you. So there are many ways that you can create a transcript. YouTube itself can actually do it, but I found that a little bit unreliable. You can also do it through recording software, things like DaVinci Resolve. So if you have a way to create a transcript, or you already have a script written out, or even just notes, you can use those too. But I'm going to show you how to get a transcript from a video. Let's say you've just made a video, a walk and talk style video out in the forest or something. You've talked at the camera, you had no plans, and now you want a text version of that video. I'm going to show you how to get that. So the first thing we're going to start off by doing is uploading our video to YouTube in the normal way that you would upload a video. And then what we want to do is we want to get the information from that video. So we're going to go to any video, doesn't matter. Let's say this is the one I uploaded. I'm going to click Options, Get Shareable Link. Okay, that's the first step. Now what we want to do is go over to NotebookLM. Now this is a Google application. It's an AI app. It's free and quite simple to use. Once we get to NotebookLM, we are going to click on Create New Notebook. And then what we're going to do, you're going to get this prompt that comes up asking you to drop in sources. Basically what this program does is you input sources. They can be all sorts of different formats, but you can also input YouTube videos as a source. And that's what we're going to do now. And what it will do is it will take all your sources and only use those for reference. So let's say you put 5 YouTube videos in here, you can then ask it questions based on all the sources that you've given it. So you can say, what do these 5 videos say about YouTube thumbnail design, let's say? And it will summarize all the points from those videos into an easily digestible text. So we're going to click on websites and we're just going to paste in our video link and we'll press insert, and you'll see it will come up over the side here. Now what it does, as you can see here, is it gives me a summary. But if you click on this, it now shows you the entire transcript of that video. You can see that down here on the left side. So we have a transcript now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to ChatGPT. What you want to do is get the prompt that I have provided for this video. There'll be links in the description, or even the whole prompt. And what we do is we'll take a look at that prompt first, and then I'll show you how to use it. So let's go through it. I'm a YouTube creator. I want you to act as a YouTube strategist and copywriter, not a hype marketer. Now this is based on my channel, okay? So you need to change this to be based on yours. Here's my video script transcript summary. And that's where we're going to paste our NotebookLM summary of our video, or sorry, our transcript. My channel tone is honest, grounded, realistic, authentic, anti-hype, anti-guru, calm, thoughtful, reflective, aimed at creators who want clarity, not shortcuts. So you need to put in whatever you want here. My audience is, and again, your information, new or small YouTubers, often over 40, thoughtful, skeptical of growth hacks, interested in sustainable progress. Please create 50 YouTube titles, no clickbait, important to say please to AI in case it tries to kill you later. Curiosity-based, emotionally honest. 50 thumbnail text options, 2 to 5 words max, not repeating the title. 1, YouTube description, clear, grounded, value-driven, no hype, sounds like me. 4, a comma-separated list of tags, SEO-focused but realistic. Titles should reflect the actual message of the video, create curiosity without exaggeration, feel human, not algorithm bait. Thumbnail text should add context or tension, be emotionally clear at a glance, avoid cliches like "this changed everything." If there are multiple strong angles, group titles by angle and label each group. So there's quite a lot of instructions there, and this is important for getting good titles because you're feeding it, even if it doesn't know your channel at all, even if this is your first video, this will tell ChatGPT what you're all about. So you need to obviously update this yourself. If you have a history of using ChatGPT, it will already know you, but I still suggest you use something like this as your template every time because you will get better results. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that prompt and we're going to go over to ChatGPT and we are going to paste it in. Don't hit enter yet. Just wait a second because we need to now go to LM and we need to copy our transcript. Okay, just copy that text and then we go back to ChatGPT, and where it says paste script or summary here, what we can do is we can just take that out, of course, and we can just paste in our entire text. And then we're going to hit enter or send. And you'll see what it does here. It starts to have a think, and then it starts to generate all your metadata. Now, here's the process for working out what you're going to use. With things like titles or thumbnail text, there's a few different things you can do. You can take exactly what ChatGPT has given you and use one of those and not even think about it further. Or what you can do is you can take 2 or 3 different titles or thumbnail text and you can mash them together. So take 3 of them, mash them together into one that really suits you. Or you just use these as inspiration and a way of developing a ton of ideas really quickly. You can then take away and think of your own. So 3 options, okay? Let's have a look at some and see what we think. So what it's done is it's put things into some context here. So the video was about shorts basically and discovery through shorts. So it's given me a whole bunch of headings here and we can look down them and see, okay, what sort of angle are we going for this video? 2026 strategy and future proofing. Okay, let's say we like that. How I'm adjusting my channel for 2026. Okay, a realistic short strategy for 2026. That one's not bad, right? So you go through, you find one you want, and you do exactly the same with thumbnail text. Look at this, you've got 50 different ones, not selling out, still long form, honest take, no guru stuff. So what it's done here is, because I've used a fresh chat and it doesn't know me, it's actually taken the 2 to 5 words and actually only made mostly titles with 2 words. So if we didn't want that, all you have to do is just go in and say, create me more with more than 2 words, right? But I think, where are we? Why shorts? Question mark, might be a decent one. Shorts explained, short strategy for 2026. You know, there's loads of ways you can get inspiration from this. YouTube description, you need to go through this and make sure that you sound like you and that there isn't any ChatGPT type phrases in here. Sometimes it has these phrases it likes to use. So go through this. Doesn't have to take too long. It should take you, 30 seconds or so. Just read through it, modify it how you want, make sure it sounds like you, job done. Tags, all you do, copy them, right click, copy, paste them into your YouTube description or your YouTube tag section, sorry. If you get too many tags, all you need to do is just delete a couple from the YouTube Studio tags box. Creating your video metadata in this way saves a lot of time and frustration. It provides you with quality results based on your individual channel and values, while also ensuring that your metadata matches with the content of your videos. This increases viewer satisfaction because they get what they expected. If you want to see more reasons why I make the video before the metadata, check out this video where I explain exactly that.